Alright guys, and in today's video I'm just going to be giving you some tips on this Code Monkey skiing project thing. There were some small simple mess ups that I made that were just easily fixable that I just didn't realize, like not typing something right or not knowing where something is, and so I can just help you guys through that. As you'll see right here, there are two different kinds of these ones. There are one with the minus and the plus, and then there's some with the equal and the whatever other things. So this one right here is the one that you don't want. So this one, if you go over here, so this is the one that you need since it has the plus, the minus, and all those other things. So I feel like some people might be wondering how to get this one certain block that doesn't exist because you need to put multiple together. So I'm just showing you real quick how to here. It's that simple. It just says this over here. And then how to get the X thing, it's just right in the movement. And then you just drag it and click it down in there. It's a lot simpler than many of you might have thought. And to do this over here, you just click in the box and type whatever. Then this reset game button took me forever to find it because down here it was like a different color and it didn't look like it was in the games and sounds. So I checked all the other different ones, but it's just right here in the games and sounds. Another problem that I kind of ran into was not knowing which of these ones to add, but it's just this dialogue here, and then you click the add button, which I guess is kind of self-explanatory, but for some reason I have a problem with simple things. So the flags were something I had a problem with because I didn't capitalize the F, and sometimes I would forget to get rid of like the 1 at the end. Okay, so on this one you have to actually look at the instructions and stuff, because I know it's just a lot easier to just look at the code example. But if you just go over here and drag this out and click on this, you'll see there's no thing called lives. And you're like, oh, I'll just click on it and just type it in. But that's not how that works. So you'll have to actually go through here and do what it wants you to do. Alright guys, and I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching so much. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video.